Hi, Shalini. Well, according to what technical support from Honeywell, which is the company that um, carry the Datamax printers, what they are saying is that we should, first of all, we should be checking the labels. How are they route in the printer? It should be something like this, okay? And then from here, okay? Now, they mentioned the sensor. The sensor is right here, okay? And what they say is that it should be, let's move the sensor all the way in, okay? And then let's pull it back like 1 inch, okay? That is like 1 inch from the bottom to the sensor, okay? Now, once we have the sensor in place, we need to make sure that the sensor it's not blocked or it's not dirt or something in the way of the sensor, okay? So in order to do that, you can take let me see if we have some here. Okay, you can take a swab, okay, a cotton swab, and a little bit of alcohol, okay, and you can clean the sensor. You can clean it from here, here, and we can actually go from here, right there where you see the red light, that's the sensor, okay? So we can go from here in the front and I'm struggling with the phone, but from here with the swab and alcohol, okay, or from the back, okay, just make sure to clean it well, okay, let it dry. So now we know that it is in the correct spot, okay, it is in place and it is clean, it is not blocked with anything. Now, another reason why your printer is showing that error message, just make sure that nothing is stuck here inside, okay? Sometimes there are some labels you may have some remains of label or from ribbon that get stick here, okay? So you can roll this roller just by hand. You can roll it, okay, just to make sure that it doesn't have any label stuck or any label remains stick to it. See, if you see something, or you can just clean it up with the same swab with alcohol. You can clean it roll it a little bit, clean it, okay? Just making sure that it's free of residues, free of label or even remainings here, okay? So once we have this roller clean, we have the sensor right there, that red light. We have the sensor already clean. We have the sensor in place. We make sure to route the label properly. So once you do that, make sure to close your printhead and press fit and keep it pressed by like 5 or 6 seconds. Okay, there you go. It should be working. So try it and let me know if hopefully that fixes the error. Okay.